Why Haiti is one of the best countries to live, a land of natural beauty and rich culture. Watch this video because it's very important. So, welcome to Haiti Global TV, where all the best information is shared in different languages. Today, we will talk about why Haiti is one of the best countries to live, a land of natural beauty and rich culture. Welcome to Haiti, a country with a rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Although Haiti is often overlooked, it's one of the best places to live in the world for those who love nature, community, and cultural diversity. Haiti is blessed with an incredible array of natural wonders. From the crystal-clear waters of its beaches to the lush green mountains that stretch across the island, the country offers breathtaking landscapes at every turn. Whether you're looking to relax on white sandy beaches or hike through stunning mountain ranges, Haiti is a natural paradise. A strong cultural heritage. But Haiti is more than just its landscapes. Its culture is deeply rooted in history and tradition. The Haitian people are known for their warmth, resilience, and strong sense of community. Art and music are woven into the fabric of daily life, with vibrant festivals and performances showcasing Haiti's rich artistic heritage. Cuisine and daily life. Haitian cuisine is a reflection of the country's diverse influences, from African and French to Taino and Spanish. Whether it's a plate of griot or a bowl of jumu soup, Haiti's food is full of flavor, offering a true taste of the Caribbean. The people and community spirit. Haiti is a place where community comes first. Neighbors look out for one another, and family values run deep. In Haiti, you'll find a strong sense of belonging and unity that adds to the country's charm. If you're looking for a country with incredible natural beauty, a rich cultural history, and a welcoming community, Haiti is the place to be. It's more than just a country, it's a vibrant experience waiting to be explored. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want to discover more about the beauty and culture of Haiti.